guys, so I just pulled up to Tuesday morning. I have not been to a Tuesday morning in so long. I think the last time that I went, I actually put up a video of me walking through the store. It was one of the newer stores that's in my area. But today I am back at the old school one, just to kind of see what they got. Since I started making those embellishment boxes, oh my goodness, I've become addicted to those things. I finally did my first swap with one. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that. I just decided I wanted to come into Tuesday morning to see if they had any embellishments that I can pick up to add to one of my future boxes. And then also when I'm in here, I tend to always forget to go check out their little makeup section. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk through here, see what we see, and hopefully find some goodies. Okay, you guys, so I am back in the car and I am proud of myself. I actually didn't purchase anything. The only thing I thought about getting was the little wood embellishment things that was 3 in a pack, but I gave in and didn't even get those. I like seeing the Heidi Swap goodies that they had. Lots of rolls of washi tape and everything like that. But nothing jumped out at me for me to want to purchase it today, actually. I did, however, like the, was it bathroom sets with the robe and the whole spa kit for only $14.99? I think that's what it was. I think those are good deals. So if you have a Tuesday morning and you are looking for a Mother's Day gift to give to your mother, a sister, or somebody, those bathroom sets, the spa set with the robe, the headband, and all of that stuff for $14.99 is a really good deal. So let's see what else. I thought it was cool that they had the bamboo makeup brushes that I actually purchased from the 99-cent only store. They were $2.99 here, but that's still good. So that's it, you guys. I just kind of wanted to do a quick walkthrough, see if I could find anything, and I didn't. Maybe I need to travel over to excuse me, maybe I need to travel over to the newer store that's by closer to where I live at. Excuse me, you guys. And see what they got down there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.